Hello everyone, so if you want to set up a custom ringtone on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your settings right here. Now locate your sound and vibration tab. Here it is, open it up. Now choose your ringtone option. Alright, here we have a lot of preset ringtones which you may choose. However, in this video we're setting up our custom ones. So you are to find your choose local ringtone, press allow. Now you're to find your ringtone. You can get it from recorder, audio files, or music. I'll press audio files. I misclicked, so let's do this again. Or you can do it from here actually. So choose your song, press OK. Now here you're to press apply. Confirm your choice by pressing select this ringtone. And it's applied successfully. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.